Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to design a WhatsApp chatbot to handle customer support for a tech gadget store. For example, you run an online tech gadget store in which you receive a lot of repetitive queries on a daily basis. Manually responding to all of these queries could be hectic and very time consuming. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automatically respond to all of these queries on your behalf. And not only this, it will also forward the unresolved queries to the support system executive. To learn how to create this chatbot, let me take you to my screen.
This is the FAQ board that I have created. Suppose I run an online gadget store called TechEase. And like many businesses, I receive a lot of repetitive queries. To save time and improve customer experience, I created a chatbot that handles these frequently asked questions on WhatsApp. Let's first see the chatbot in action before we jump into how to create it. And to do that, let me take you to my WhatsApp. You can either send a trigger message to activate the chatbot or can share a template. So here I am sending a template message. Here I have received this template. So I am going to respond to it and see whether this chatbot is working or not. I am going to click on the service related queries. I am going to select where is my order. And it will send me a message that says you can check status of your order directly from the website itself. Visit the track order section. Was this helpful? Yes or no? So I'm going to say no. And it will share us option to contact support. So I'm going to tap on it. And then it will provide me with the number of support system executive. So this is how our chatbot will work. Now that we know how it works, let's begin to create our chatbot from scratch. This automation was created using Pabbly. To begin, open a new browser and enter a URL pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to Pabbly's main landing page. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. And if you are new, click on sign up for free to create your account. Since I'm already registered, I'll go ahead with sign in. Once logged in, you will see a list of Pabbly apps. To create a chatbot, we need to access Pabbly Chatflow. Click on it and you will land on the Chatflow dashboard. Here I am going to click on Access Now. As you can see, we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. As you navigate on the left side of the screen, you will see there is an option of flows. Click on Flows, and to create a new flow, click on this button that says Add Flow. A new flow will be created with default settings. Now, you will have to access all the features required to build a chatbot from scratch. Firstly, we will learn about all the features that we can see here. We will begin with the message category, which offers several types of responses. First one is text button, which helps us to send a plain text with quick replies like yes or no. Next up we have is media button, which shares media such as images, documents, videos, PDFs, etc. Next up is list. As the name suggests, it sends a clickable list of options for structured replies. Next up is catalog message. It shares a product catalog with users. Now we have single product message and multi-product message. This one is used to showcase detail about a specific product. However, this one is used to share multiple products in a single message. Lastly, in this message category, we have templates. This one is very useful. It sends customized templates from your side with predefined quick replies. This is especially useful for WhatsApp templates. Now let's move on to the action category, in which first one is condition. It is used to set conditions to control the flow based on user responses. Next up is ask address. It collects user's address and then save it in the contact field. Similarly, ask location collects user's current location. Ask question is used to ask a customized question which we can use in our chat flow. Ask media collects media files like images, videos from user, and customize field store customized information like name, feedback, or any specific detail. Add tag assigns tag to user for segmentation and future follow-ups. API requests connect external tools and pulls or push data through APIs. Connect Flow helps us in linking multiple flows to build a more dynamic experience. Now that we understand all the available features in Pabbly Chatflow, let's start with creating our own chatbot step by step. When we create a new flow, it's created under a default untitled name. Let's rename it to something more relevant. I'll name this bot as FAQ bot for Tech Ease. Inside this flow editor, you will see this flow start feature. Under this, there is an option to enter keywords. So here you can enter some general keywords that will trigger the chatbot. For example, if a user types hi or hello, the chatbot will be activated. Next we have regex. It is used to enter more specific keywords that will trigger the chatbot. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Next we have option to choose template. When we click on it, you will see a list of all the templates that you have created. You can choose any of them. However, if you haven't created any template yet, you can create it. Click on templates and there you will see two options, template list and explore template. Click on explore template to create a new template. First, I'm going to save this and then I will show you how to create a template. Click on add new template. Then you can select template category, which I am choosing as marketing. You can select template name, which I'm choosing FAQ. You can select language as English. And here you can put any header that you want. Like I'm using welcome. To Tech Ease. Here you can type the template format and here template footer, and here you can give either call to action or quick replies like yes or no, etc. And you can click on submit to save your template. I'm going to choose an existing template, so I'm going back to my flow. And here I will choose this FAQ template. Like this. Now as you can see, in this template I have created 3 quick reply options for the user to choose from. First is service related queries, second is product related query, and third is cancellation. So next we will create responses for each of these quick replies. Let's start with the service related queries. I'm going to attach a message box or a text button to it. Like this. Inside this message box, I will type whatever message I want the user to receive after clicking on this quick reply. So here I'm writing, which service related query do you have? And then I'll add few commonly asked questions as quick replies like, where is my order? And how to track my order? And return policy. Similarly, we will follow the same steps for the product related queries option. Attach a message box and enter a message. How can we assist you with product related queries today? And similarly, we are going to attach some repetitive queries like product availability and offers and discounts. Now, lastly, we have this cancellation option, and for this, we are going to add a question box. And here, we will ask them a question. Do you wish to cancel your order? Can you share your 6-digit order ID? Below this, you will see an option that says Select Contact Custom Field. To use this, we first need to create a custom field. First, we are going to save our flow. Once the flow is updated successfully, go to the settings and click on the third option. Contact Custom Fields. Here you can see some default fields under which we have created some customized fields. To create a customized field, you have to click on Add More Field, and then you can add any field you want and name of the contact. Once you've created your customized field, you have to save it. Since I've already have the same field, I'm going to delete this one, and then I will go back to my flow. That says your order ad has been cancelled. You will receive a cancellation mail soon. As you can see here, we have added a $sign next to ad. This will be replaced by the customer's order ID at the time of execution. Now that we have created the different query options, it's time to set up their respective responses. Let's start with Where's my order? This one. So we are going to create another message box and we'll enter the response. You can check the status of your order directly from the website itself. Visit the track order section. Was this helpful? Yes or no. If the user selects yes, we are going to respond them with we are happy to help. However, if the user selects no, then we are going to ask them to connect to support system executive. Here we are going to provide them option to contact support. Similarly, we are going to provide responses to every query. So we are going to create some space. Okay, then we are going to create another message box for how to track my order. Go to the order section, tap on track order and fill out your order ID to track your order. Was this helpful? Again, yes or no. And we are going to clone the same response we used earlier for both of the quick replies. And lastly, return policy. We are going to type a message. Our return policy allows returns within 6 days from the date of purchase. Product must be in their original condition, unused, and in original packaging. So we have curated responses to each of the queries. Now, if the user clicks on contact support, we are going to provide them with our support system executive's contact number. And we are going to clone this message and we are going to use it here as well. Similarly, we are going to curate responses for product related queries as well. For product availability, we are going to send them a message that says, if the product is available, you will get an option to add it to the cart. If not, you won't be able to add it to the cart. In such case, you can tap on Notify Me button and we will notify you as soon as the product is available. Was this helpful?
Yes.
Again, we are going to clone the same message that we used earlier. And attach it to the quick replies. Lastly, for offers and discounts, here are some exciting deals available for you. Buy 2 get 1 free available. Just use code B2G1 at checkout. For single purchase, use code FLAT15 to get 15% off. Was this helpful?
Yes.
Or no? Okay, again going to clone the same responses. And we're going to attach them. And this is how we have created our chatbot. You can create your own chatbot easily by the procedure that I've shown in this video. Save your chat flow and you're good to go.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.